Welcome to Shorthand, the beautifully simple digital publishing platform. In this video, you'll learn how to create a new shorthand story, select a template and add text, media, and styles. You'll also learn how to collaborate with your team on stories and preview and publish your first piece of content. When you first log in, you'll see your shorthand dashboard. This is where your work is saved. Click New Story to create a new page of content. You can start from a blank story, use the AI Creative Companion to generate draft layouts, import a story, or choose from a pre-built template. Let's select the Government Update template. This is the shorthand editor. It's where you build and publish your content. You can change text, add media, and design your layout. On the side panel, you can add more sections. Click this plus button to see a range of section types. They'll play a big part in how your story will look and flow. Choose the format that's right for you. Text sections are a great choice for your body text, while grid sections let you arrange cards and content into beautiful, structured layouts. You can also use chart sections to turn your data into animated bar, line, or pie charts. No embeds needed. For collections of images or videos that can be expanded into a slideshow, check out the Media Gallery. Want to add some movement and magic? Try Scrollmation, Reveal, or Scrollpoints. They turn your images and videos into scrolling animations. No custom code or fancy design tools needed. Once you've added a section, you can play around with layouts, reposition your text, and adjust column widths. For text over media and title sections, you can select from full-width media, half-width media, and text-only layouts, as well as set different section heights. You'll see your story quickly come alive. Changes will be saved automatically, so there's no need to worry about losing your work. In the shorthand editor, all text is edited and styled in text boxes like this. Images and videos, which we call media, can be added and adjusted in the side panel like this. You can also use Shorthand's AI Creative Companion to speed up common editing tasks. For example, update the font color across every section with a single prompt, instead of changing each one manually. Or upload your media and tell the Creative Companion about your vision for it, and it will select the right section type for you, without you needing to be an expert user. You can invite collaborators to view or edit your story. Just add their email addresses in the Manage Story Collaborators panel. Then everyone can work on the same story at the same time, and you'll see who's active by their avatar. As you can see, creating stories with shorthand is quick and easy. At any point, you can click Preview to check what your story will look like on mobile, tablet, or desktop computer. It's a good idea to regularly check your story this way to make sure it will look great on different screen sizes. When you're happy with your story, publish it to share with your readers. Click the Publish button and choose your preferred publishing option. The simplest option is to host with shorthand. One click and your story's live, on your own subdomain if you like. Or publish to your existing site, with plugins for WordPress and Drupal, or a simple embed that you can paste into your CMS. For stories with a smaller audience, such as internal docs or sales proposals, publish to a private link or add password protection. To explore which type of publishing is right for you, simply get in touch with our team and we'd be happy to help. Now it's your turn. Time to tell your story.